Namaste, good morning everyone. Hello from Mysore. We reached yesterday by train. We came from Bangalore. We were staying at the Metropole Hotel, you can see there, which is very central, close to the station, close to all the sightseeing to do in Mysore. Yeah, yesterday we went to the Railway Museum and now it's just before 10 a.m. and we set out for the day. Let's go! St. Joseph and Philomena Cathedral. We just went inside and went down to the crypt. Mass is going on. Hey, we just reached Mysore Palace. First thing, you have to visit the palace only barefoot, so we left our shoes at the clock room and now let's go visit. Okay, all barefoot. Hi guys, after the palace we are now in Devaraja market, getting lost. Hey, good morning everyone. Going for breakfast. Let's see how the dosa masala looks in Mysore. is a special Mysore filtered coffee. Coffee comes from Courg.